Here's the truth: no one ever talks about pumpkin, or at least hardly talk about it. Pumpkin is a nutrient dense, low in calories, and it has beta carotene, vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin C, potassium, and packed with fiber. It will boost your immune system. See there, people? Pick off all that pumpkin over this side. The fresh ones coming up. Fresh ones. I'm getting one weed out with the fresh ones. Eat off all of the ones them that I showed you guys before. See the fresh and new ones. Banana still look like it's a struggle. Can't thrive in. See the other side of the pumpkin field, guys. So I have this kind of pumpkin, it's different. Just pick the big one. I have 2 or 3 different kind. This look ready. See there? More. Yeah, pumpkin vine run. This side bearing. Different breed. See the guys, different breed. Yellow. Some lime tree. Pawpaw tree coming. Melon tree start to run. Next pawpaw tree. Another pumpkin. Jolly mango tree. Another pumpkin on there. Pumpkin want weed out, people. Want to weed out so badly. But I'm scared. I don't want nobody in my garden to disturb it.